Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix charging problem in Oppo K15. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe the channel and follow each step carefully for the best results.